Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to add text to your story on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now to add text to your story on Facebook, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after opening our Facebook, let's create a story first. To create a story, tap on create story like this, and let's choose a picture for this, and let's get a good picture, and this one. And now to add a text to your story, you can see the text option available at the top right corner of your screen, which is the text AA. Tap over there, and let's type something. And you can change the shape and sizes or the handwritings of the text as you want from over here, and you can see the colors available over here. You can, okay, let's tap on it again, and you can color it more like this, black. And after that, you can tap on over here to align your text on the picture or your story. And after doing that, and after adding your all the effects and your text, when you tap on share on the bottom left corner of your screen, the story will be added, or the story will be published along with your text. And let's wait for it to publish, and let's view the story. And you can see on the story our text has been added as well. And there guys, this is how you add text to your story on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.